Hello YouTube, if you have tried your smartphone to hard reset and if you are unable to hard reset your device, then this video is for you. Before proceeding, performing a hard reset will erase all data on your device. Make sure to back up any important data. Firstly, you need either a laptop or PC or another smartphone with OTG connector and USB cable. This is important because the smartphone won't go to the recovery boot menu without connecting it to laptop or OTG connector via USB cable. Here in my case I am using OTG. Connect the OTG connector to another smartphone and connect the USB cable to your smartphone as shown in the video. Your smartphone should be in charging mode when it is connected to USB cable. Now press the volume down key and the power key simultaneously for a couple of seconds. As the display gets off, release the key. Soon the round charging status is displayed with yellow color. Now press the volume up key and the power key simultaneously. Release the key when the Samsung logo appears. Now your smartphone is in recovery mode. By pressing the volume up and down keys, go to Wipe Data/Factory Reset option and press the power key. In the next option, select Factory Data Reset and press the power key. Within few seconds the smartphone will be reset to its factory setting. Now reboot the device by pressing the power key. You can disconnect the USB cable now. After the device restarts, you'll need to go through the initial setup process as if it were a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. So this is how you can hard reset your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more updates.